session of GrooveKart Live. We're taking you from 0 to 100, setting up your GrooveKart store. Let me know if you can hear me. This is the first time I'm using a green screen, and I'm here. Mr. Garcia had to go to a cat lovers convention, so he is not here today. So he's at a cat lovers convention. Don't tell him I told you. But just kidding. Okay, let me know if you can hear me well. I want to make sure I don't have my headsets. Let's see. How about now? 1 second, guys. I'm just checking my audio. There we go. All right. Now, actually, we're good now. Okay, cool. So I wanted to make sure I wasn't using my headset mic. All right. So in the meantime, let me get some stuff set up. So let me know where you're coming in, where you're tuning in from. Let me know where you're at. Greetings, Coach Ryan Girata. Hope I didn't mess up your name. Westminster, Canada. Awesome. Welcome. If you're just tuning in, if you're just logging on, type in where you're from. You can hear me. All right. Where are you coming from? Christian, are you in Sweden? I believe, Christian. One of our GrooveKart experts, unofficial GrooveKart expert, but I would say he's almost as qualified as anyone on the team, believe it or not. Sweden, we got Sweden in the house. Where else? Let's see, Texas. All right, let's see where else are we coming from. While you're typing in the comments, I'm going to double check that I have all the logins, okay? So give me 1 second, and I'm also going to put my Skype on Do Not Disturb. So 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm doing this solo, so I want to make sure that we do things right and I don't make some boo-boos. But then again, if we do boo-boos, that's okay. It's part of life, right? So there, I'm on Do Not Disturb. So, all right, let's see. Where are you guys coming in from? We got Texas, we got UK, we got Sweden, we got Canada. Where else are you coming from? I'm going to close some stuff here, make sure I don't have any extra stuff open. Okay, I'm in here. We're going to go over. I'm excited to show you some stuff. We're going to continue on with our training related to the stickers. And why do I keep talking about this? Because if you don't know, T-Launch does stickers, decals. They're 4x3-inch stickers. And the beautiful thing I love about this is because it costs you, the owner of the store, only $1 to fulfill and $2.50 to send up to 50 stickers in an envelope. Okay, so that could mean for you really nice size cart values. Okay, and the whole point is when you have a GrooveKart store or on any platform in e-commerce, is you want to have your buyers spend as much money as possible. Because here's what I've learned in business and in marketing: you have to learn to strike while the iron is hot. What does that mean? Well, for the most part, most people that come to your website are not going to come back. That's just the way it is, right? Why? They found your site from an ad or something. The next thing you know, they're like, oh, this is kind of cool. Or they smiled, or oh my God, I got to have that. Or oh my God, this is so cool. And they go there and they're interested in it. Next thing you know, the phone rings, the freaking dog knocks over something breaks. Who knows? The kids are screaming. Their boss walks in. Or maybe they're next in line at the doctor's office or the dentist's office. Next thing you know, it's called life, right? Life gets in the way. And for whatever reason, they close the browser or whatnot, and they're gone, right? So that's one of the important things is when you're marketing your business, whether it's an e-commerce or whether it's a squeeze page, always remarket to these visitors that go to your website. Remarket, retarget. It's the same thing. What does that mean? I'm sure all of us here have been to a website and you clicked away for whatever reason, and next thing you know, you get an ad and they're saying, hey, come back and get 10% off, right? For those of you who upgraded during our launch where the lifetime deal went away, you may have seen Mike Filsame going like this, right? Getting your attention. That was retargeting or remarketing, as some people say. So I use them both, I use either one. So anyway, so let's see where people are coming in from. We got Houston, Texas. We got Detroit, Michigan. Pauline from the UK. Let's see. North Carolina. All right. So let me just double check. I'm logged in here, and I close any windows that we don't need. And let me go to the cat swag store. So 1 second, and we're gonna get going in just a second. I just want to make sure I have everything I need so that we can go over stuff with you. Okay, so 1 second. There's nothing to look at on the screen. All you see is my big head right now. All right, so let's see. All right, so let me just find out what we have so far on the store. I want to give you an example of continuing on with the sticker training. Another way to do the stickers. Okay, so we're going to do a different design. Or you know what? Let me just find the design. We're going to use the same design, but I'm going to redo it, set it up once again, and this time I'm going to show you how to promote that sticker in a different way. Okay, so let me just see that I have it, that I have this image, and then we'll get going. Okay, so I have my phone in front of me down here, just looking to see what it looks like to make sure we're not having issues. And I am going to find that sticker. And what we're going to do in this training is I'm going to show you how to promote the sticker in a different way. Okay. Now, in the other training, we promoted it and they get X amount of dollars off. And next thing you know, with free shipping. But in this case, I'm going to recreate another sticker and we're going to show them a different angle. Okay. So bear with me while I'm finding this image because I cannot. Oh, I know why. Because the sticker was done when I did the training on my laptop. So no problem. Let me go to Skype real quick. And let's find it. 1 second. By the way, if you have a GrooveKart store already, type a 1 in the chat right now. If you have a GrooveKart store that you're working on, maybe you don't have traffic yet, type a 1 in the chat to see who already has a store that they're working on. Okay. So in the meantime, let me just double check. I'm looking for this image, and I want to make sure we use the same one. And if not, I might just use a new one. So let me just do that. We're going to use a new one, but what we're going to do for this training is I'm going to use the 2 existing products already for the upsells. What we're going to focus on is the front end. So I'm going to make a new sticker from the get-go inside of Teescape, and then you're going to see me position this offer in a different way. Okay. So let's go. I'm going to go find a design that I'm going to run with. Okay. Oh, by the way, while I'm here with you, let me see. I just found something in my storage. I showed this to you a few weeks ago. So let me show you this design I sold thousands of dollars worth years ago. You probably could get away with doing it right now. So you see this shirt. It says what? Oh, it's faded out. Okay, so there it says we can't fix stupid, right? So that has to do. I was targeting EMS, paramedics, and EMT, emergency medical technicians, right? So that little design, if you look at it, you could use this design. You could use that on a sticker. You lead with the sticker, and then you upsell them related products. Excuse me, the same design on other products. So you could put that same thing probably almost on anything inside of Printful, inside of Teescape, and make those upsells. And I have an exciting announcement at the end of this training to share with you. So you're going to like it. We have one more. I'm sure some of you already know, but don't say it yet. If you know, don't say it. We have successfully integrated with another print-on-demand provider. Okay, don't let the cat out of the bag. Don't comment if you know who it is, or if you know the company, don't comment. And that is ready to go. Okay, it's ready. Okay, so I'm going to make that announcement at the end. Okay, so yeah, the shirt is funny. And so this is an example. Again, let me just show you one more time. This could be the sticker, right? This is the, let's say I made this the sticker. Okay, this green screen is meant. Okay, there you go. This is the sticker, right? And then I upsell them this shirt, and I upsell them maybe a hoodie, or maybe I put it on a water bottle, or I make it I put it on a black mug. Maybe I make a black mug and I put that with the white and it'll pop real good. Or you can do a white mug with blue. Recreate the design in a different color. Maybe the blue that a lot of EMS people use, that navy blue. You could make it that way. That would work as well. So let me go find a design so that we can work with it, okay? Because what we're going to do is we're going to make the sticker from scratch, and I want to show you that process in case you weren't here yet. Excuse me, in case you weren't here before. So let me see. Home is where the cat. Okay, I got one right here. 1 second. Now this sticker isn't that great, but that's okay. So I'm gonna download this thing so I can use it. Okay, so 1 second. Let's see. I'm going to download this image real quick, so bear with me. There's nothing for me to show you yet, but I'm going to download it real quick, the large image. Hopefully it's large enough so that we can use it, okay? And that's the image file, the artwork. So 1 second. One second. Let me see if this is the one that I want to use. Oh, I know what. 1 second. So in the meantime, if you got a couple questions related to stickers, go ahead and ask them, and then I'll do my best to look at it right now so that I kind of answer questions while I'm getting set up. Okay, guys? And again, this would probably flow a lot easier if it's the two of us, John Garcia and myself, but we are not doing it together because John Garcia is at a cat lovers convention. Okay, so I'm just kidding. Let's see. 1 second. I'm going to download this file. Hopefully it'll let me do it. Okay, you know what? I'm having issues and I'm not finding it. So let me just use a different design. So 1 second. I'm going to scour my internet, my browser files right here for something cat related. So 1 second. Okay, let me just find something real quick. No. See, I found a perfect one. Okay. Now I cannot find it. Okay, hang on. So in the meantime, ask your questions related to stickers and I'll answer them in just a second. I'm trying to find a design. Okay, let me just answer the question. Where are the people putting these stickers after they buy them? Well, the stickers can go anywhere. They are very durable. If you look on the description of the sticker, let me actually just share my screen real quick. Let me share my screen and then you'll see. All right, share screen. And then add to stream. Okay. All right. Tell me if you can hear me, because last time I did this, you guys could not hear me. So tell me if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can see that and if you can hear me. Can you hear me? So this is the details, okay? You could, guys, somebody, yeah, okay, perfect. So this is the information about the decal. They have a glossy paper finish. They're scratch resistant and they last a long time. And then, so this is vinyl material and it's not guaranteed removable from these surfaces. So I'm sure this has happened to you before. You've stuck something on a surface and then you couldn't get it off. So this is kind of giving you an idea of what you can expect. So let me, there you go. How about that? So there you go. Okay, it's on a 4x3 template. Okay, it's a vinyl surface sticker with permanent acrylic adhesive on the back. So it's good for smooth surfaces like laptops, journals, etc. And it's a removable adhesive up to 3 years of durability once printed. So in other words, once they get the stickers from you, you can remove it up to about a year or less. Anything after that is probably not going to come off. Okay, so where do people put these? Well, they put them on toolboxes. They put them on the refrigerator. They put them on their bumper. They put them on their window, on the back of their window. They put on the side of their window. You can put it on virtually anything. And in the descriptions that we offer, we can let our customers know what it might not be removable from. Okay, so that's that gives you an idea. Okay, so let's see what else. What other question do we have? Can we use more than one print on demand? Yes. So let me give you an example. I can lead with the sticker. They get excited. They buy that. But I can maybe fulfill a mug from Printful. And then I can maybe fulfill some other item from one of our other print on demand partners. So you can definitely do that. Never think that you can only offer one product line from one vendor or anything like that. No, you can make sales. One can be from T-Launch. One fulfillment can be taken care of from T-Launch. One can be taken care of Teescape. And then the third one could be something from Printful. They don't have to be all from the same print on demand provider. So give me 1 second. So I'm going to go find this again. And I had a bunch of designs. So I've been working from my laptop since I've been out of town. And I'm back in Florida. And now that I'm back in Florida, I am trying to get used to my desktop again. So 1 second. I have some cool images I think we can use. So I'm just going to find one so I can use it right now. Because I want to use one that's related to cats, not something that's not related. So bear with me 1 second, guys. And in the meantime, let me know something else that you have a question about related to the stickers. And I can see the chat right now on my phone. So let me just keep looking. I can see that. Can you increase? I already did that. Okay. So let me just keep looking, guys. Bear with me here. I got a bunch of stuff for dogs, but I don't need a dog design right now. 1 second. I'm being put on the spot. Okay. I want to show you one that's related to the store at hand, not one that doesn't make sense, because I really don't like doing that. Asking you to picture yourself selling this. And no, I'm trying to find a design, so bear with me. Matter of fact, 1 second. This is going to serve as an example. So let me just get some designs right now. So let me see something here. Bear with me. At PNG, okay. Let's just buy one, okay. Shirts. I don't want to buy 1,000 shirt designs. I'm just trying to find something. Okay. Let's do this one. How about this one? Here for the cats. Okay. What on-demand site? Okay, so this is Etsy. I'm just gonna buy it real quick. Okay, so buy it now. Hopefully this is a good one. And let me stop sharing real quick so you don't see my debit card. Okay, so let me stop sharing. Okay, so I'm gonna buy this real quick, and we're gonna I'm gonna do this on the fly. Why? Because I could not find an image. So I should have been more prepared, but I was working on something related to GrooveMember right before this training. So that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. All right. So I'm buying this real quick. In the meantime, let me look at your questions. 17 minutes late. San Diego. Yes. How you doing, Alejandro? On-demand site. So this was Etsy where I'm buying this from. Okay. So you can go get designs from Etsy for, as you can see, I'm about to pay $2.99 for that design. So now let me view this download for this design. I just got it. So 1 second. Hopefully it doesn't make me wait too long. So let me see. Any other questions you have related to stickers? Why am I talking about stickers so much? Well, because of the fact just to repeat it, they only cost you $1 to fulfill and $2.50 to send up to 50 stickers in one envelope. So if you sell 50 stickers in an order, you're only going to pay $52.50. Okay? So think about that. What if you make them a huge discount and they're only paying, I don't know, $1.50 a sticker for 50? Well, just off the top of my head, what is that? Let me see. $1.50. Why would somebody do that? Well, maybe they're part of a team, or they're a teacher, or there's something they really like the message. Maybe they have a bunch of employees, or maybe they're doing it for swag, for a little event they're having with 15 people, and they're buying these to give away as swag for their customers for a mastermind they're doing. So let's just say you sold 50 at $1.50 each. If they buy 50, they get them at only $1.50 each. Well, you'd make 75, okay, and you'd only pay $52.50, so you'd make $22. That's just selling it for super cheap at $1.50. I would buy designs, yes, from Etsy for sure, because they're already done for you. You don't have to even think about it. You can just go look around and download it. So I'm going to download this now. It allowed me to download, so I'm going to unzip it, and then we're going to get back on track, okay? So thank you guys for being patient with me. Again, John Garcia is not here. He's visiting a convention center for cat lovers, and he's here at the Cat Lovers Convention in Fort Lauderdale, and I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I got the PNG file. Perfect. So let me just verify that it is in a good format. Okay. All right. So now we're ready to go. Okay. So let me close up this stuff and then share my screen. All right. Now bear with me. I feel like taking a drink of water, but let me just keep going. The places where you would get designs created. Well, you can get designs created on Fiverr.com. Now they're going to cost you more than $5 per design. At Etsy, you can save a lot of time and buy bundles of vector images. You know, you can type in, let's say, for instance, here I did cat shirt, right? So I could type in cat vectors, cat commercial. Commercial meaning it has the keyword commercial license, because you want to make sure when you buy these images, they have a commercial license with it so you can resell them on printed products. Or you could type in cat SVG, cat PNG file, cat design, things like that. And then you'll start finding other images that you'll like to put on products. And then when you look at the titles of each of these designs, you're going to see other words that you can type in to find even more stuff. Okay. And then, yes, shout out to Coach Ryan. He said freelancers, Upwork, make your own on Canva. Definitely. Okay. You can definitely hire some people. But Etsy is a good way to save time. Let's say you already have a dog lover store. You have a generic dog lover store, and it's for dog lovers and dog owners. And you have a TikTok following, and you make these funny dog TikToks, whatever. And you have 20,000 followers on TikTok. Just go. I wouldn't even hire a designer. I would just go to Etsy and get a bunch of bundles, and then pick the ones that make you smile the most and look really nice, and just go with that. So anyway, let's continue. Let's set this baby up, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to share the screen. Go to the window, and then now you tell me. I know you can see it, so let's go here. All right. So now you should see my dashboard for Teescape. And no, you don't, because I didn't add myself into the stream. Okay. So now you got it. All right. So now we are inside of Teescape. So we're going to set up this. We're going to set up this decal. Okay. So now the first thing you do is you log into Teescape. I'm not going to cover how to connect it and things like that. It's very simple, very easy process. You go to products, then you click on print on demand, and then you click on Teescape, and then you set it up that way. So I'm going to click on add products, and I'm going to do this right here. We're here for the decals. We're going to go like this. Okay. And then I'm going to upload the artwork. And then let's see what comes up. It might be transparent, so I might have to use a JPG in just a second, but let me see. It's probably, okay, here for the cats. And you see, this is a very basic design. I would probably have this design, since it's on a sticker, I would maybe add some color to this. Maybe make the spaceship purple or something like that, and make the cat like, I don't know, a different color, maybe. But for this training, we're going to do it this way. Okay. And so we're just going to say here for the cats. Okay. I'm going to hit review. Now, in this case, the selling cost for this, I don't know if Teescape lets you enter 0, but we're going to see. Okay. And I'm just going to say, in this case, I'm going to go get, in this case, I'm just going to put in the description like this. Coming soon is by default, when you set up your decals through Teescape, it's going to have the description already built in where it says product description. But in this case, for right now, we're just going to do it this way. And then we're just going to say stickers. And I don't know if it lets you do 000, but you're going to see why I'm selling it for 0. So watch. Hopefully it let me add it. So let's see what happens. Okay, it worked. So now let's go into GrooveKart for, let's see, this is not it. So let's go into my cat swag GrooveKart store. So 1 second. So let me log into the GrooveKart store. The administration, all right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start editing this product, and the angle we're going for, the way we're going to drive traffic, and how we're going to sell this sticker, doing it this way versus the other way, is we're going to give it away for free, and they're going to quote unquote pay for shipping. Okay, so let's just look at it right now out the gate. And since I'm small on the computer, let me take a drink. And I'm drinking from a gallon because I typically drink a gallon of water. 1 second. Just don't want to lose my voice. Okay. So in this case, this is the sticker. Now, this to me is kind of basic. I would have had maybe a sticker that pops out more, maybe with some colors. You can sell black and white stickers, but I would say if they're more colorful, then it makes sense. Unless it's a really big and bold design and it's got really thick letters, thick font, maybe. For this one, it's to me too skimpy. If you know what I'm saying, it's too skimpy. It's too lightweight. I would probably add some colors to this and make it a colorful sticker instead. So anyway, so this is what it looks like right now. So what we're going to do, as you can see, it's $0, right? So we're going to edit this product to make it seem more appealing, and we're going to give it away for free, just pay shipping. So are you ready? Let's get going. So in the meantime, I'm going to go here and I'm going to type in sticker, and I'm going to go get the description that we used for the other sticker from the other training. Now we have mock-ups here. Okay, so I don't know if I have time, I'll show you how to do the mock-ups again, but this training for sure mainly is to show you the different way you can approach stickers. So this was selling for $4.95, and they get free shipping. Now, keep in mind, what I'm going to show you now is get the sticker free, just pay shipping. So if I'm going to do that angle, and if I'm going to drive traffic, I'm going to set up campaigns doing it that way, then I might want to change this right here, because right now it says order today, receive free shipping. So keep that in mind. So, but I know this works because I've done it many, many times with different products. So now we're just going to go in here and edit this product. And in the meantime, let me go to this. Let me close this. We're going to edit this product. Let me preview it one more time. And let me download this. So I'm going to open it in a new tab, and let me just double check that it showed up right. Okay. So it did. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go and edit this product. So here we are. So what do we do? Well, we need to edit some of this stuff. Okay. So this is the product name. And so I'm going to get some of the details that I had from the other one. So I'm going to copy this. You don't necessarily always have to do that. I like to do it for SEO purposes. I like to state what kind of product it is. So now that I have this, for tags, I like typing in what it is. So this is a sticker. So I'm going to say this is sticker. You can go with plural or singular word. Whatever you decide to use, make sure it is consistent. So I'm going to say stickers. If I was setting up some kind of hoodie, it would say hoodies. And I'm doing that for later. Should I want to, I can make some menus and stuff using the tags. So this is there. So now, once I do that, make it a habit for now. Always hit save. Eventually, we're going to have autosave. Now we're going to go to the SEO. I'm going to jump to this section first, and I'm going to paste this stuff in here. Okay? The meta title and the OG title. And then I hit save again. Just make it a point Soon we're going to have autosave. So now I want the description and the OG description. So I'm going to go and copy this, what I have here, and hopefully it copies over properly. I'm going to right click, copy. I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to go to descriptions. And I like to do it this way. I like to put the details in full product description, like so. Looks good, right? And then up here for summary, let's see what we did. We said this awesome sticker makes a great gift. Okay, so that's more like ad copy. That's how I use it. Coming soon, we're going to have product simplification. Okay, we're going to have product simplification to where it's combined. What it'll do is it'll take your full product description and capture the first, I'd say 300 characters or less, and use that as a summary. And you can override the summary description with ad copy should you choose to do that. Okay, so this is what we got going on. And so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go back to SEO. And this is, I'm showing you what I do. So for SEO, for the OG description, which stands for Open Graph Markup, right? This is like if they share your store on their Facebook, it'll show that up. It'll show up as that as the preview. Now for description, I want to use more specific like SEO type stuff. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to copy just this first little part and we'll see how much fits, because when it comes to this, only 255 characters fit. So it worked. So I'm just going to leave it just like that. Now I see everything that I did for the meta information, the SEO stuff, the open graph, and I'm going to hit save. Soon, once we have upgrades made to the builder, the update made to the builder, we're going to have it so that it auto-populates the SEO information for you so you don't have to do it manually. So now I'm going to go back here. One thing that I forgot was the upsell description. Now, what does that mean? Upsell description is if this product showed up as an upsell to one of your other products, what would it say? Well, I know if I preview this, what am I working on? I'm previewing the sticker, right, that I'm working on. So I'm going to say something about sticker in this description. I'm going to say, okay, now I got some, I'm doing a little bit of marketing there. And what I say was, add the sticker to your order. Over 45% of customers have today already. Okay. So let's do it that way. Okay. And I'm elaborating a little bit more right here because I'm giving you some marketing tips, right? So add this sticker to your order. Over 45% of customers have ordered them today. So what does that do? I'm adding some social proof. I'm telling them, hey, over 45% of customers have ordered them today. So what does that do? Well, people, us as humans, we want to jump on the bandwagon a lot, right? So if most people are going left, chances are we're going to go left if we're in a crowd or whatnot. Now, I'm sometimes the type of person that goes opposite. If they're going left, I'm going right. Or if they're going right, I'm going left. But anyway, so with that being said, this is just some ad copy that I just came up with right now off the top of my head. This upsell description is the ad copy to sell this product should you choose to make it an upsell and a different product. Okay, so that's how you would do that. All right, so let me hit save and let me check back. Let me stop sharing. Okay. Yes, you're right, Dwight. It's free plus shipping. So what we like to do is we like to give people options. So like I said before, there's two different ways to skin this cat, right? We're working on my cat swag. So you can sell it just straight retail and offer free shipping, or you can do it this way where they're getting it free and paying for shipping, okay? Just pay shipping. So now I'd like to add that I was at a truck stop the other day and the stickers were the same size as what we're trying to sell here. And they're selling for $9.99. No, $4.99 I saw one, and then I saw at another truck stop, they were $9.99, and they were just maybe an inch bigger. Okay, so stickers work. Okay, so now let's get back here. I'm going to go back to share screen. Okay, so now we've done what we needed to do here inside of T-Launch. Excuse me, not T-Launch, Teescape. So I'm going to close this. And then now we're back in the product setup. Okay, so we did the main info. We did the description. We did the SEO. Now, I did mention that we're going to give this away free, right? So instead, what we're going to say is get this awesome sticker today free. Just cover shipping and handling. I'm not going to even add a okay. And then I could say this makes a great gift. Okay. And I'm gonna make this we're gonna add some background to it. All right. I don't like that yellow. So we're just gonna go here and I'm gonna choose this yellow. Okay, get this awesome sticker today free. Just cover shipping and handling. Made and shipped in the USA. This makes a great gift. So then we're going to save. Now, if I go to preview this product, let's see what happens. So here it is, right? So there's the product. Okay. So I know there's a little delay here. So now let's go to buy it. Well, you're going to see something happen. Okay. If I go to buy it, it's free. Okay. So we don't want that, right? So this is a very, very important part. So now we're going to skip images and video for this training. We're going to go to pricing and variance. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is how you do a very simple inside of GrooveKart. Very simply, this is how you do free plus shipping. So all you're going to do is see where it says cost per item. That's your cost. Well, it cost me $1. Okay. That's my fulfillment cost. But additional shipping fee. Well, I already told you it's $1 to fulfill and $1 to fulfill and $2.50 to ship. So I need to make $3.50. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and charge $3.95. Okay. Now, why am I charging so little? Well, when I'm doing it this way, my goal is to get as many people into my funnel as possible and then upsell them 2 to 3 things. Now, let me say this. I've told you the sweet spot for upsells is 3. Now, you're leading with a free gift. All they're paying is a small fee for shipping. You might want to make sure you do at least 3 so that you can start making some good money on the back end. Now, since it's free plus shipping, I might say maybe go as much as 4 products that you're boom, 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 showing them as upsells. Why? Because you're not making nothing on the front end, okay? This is a loss leader. This is basically getting them into your funnel, and you're not making profit on the front end so that you can upsell them other things, and a percentage will buy. And remember this, Jim Rohn said this, if you do something often enough, a ratio will appear. So if you can make it to where a lot of people start buying, you start getting 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200 sales in a day, you're going to start seeing a ratio and you're going to see, oh, wow, this thing converts at 7.5% or converts at 5.6%. The average e-commerce store converts at a little over 1%. So what if you can convert at 6%? That means 6 out of 100 people are going to buy it. And 6 out of 100, chances are 2 out of the 6 are going to buy a bunch of the upsells. Okay. So with that being said, let's continue. So we're going to say it's $3.95. I'm going to save and let's preview it again. So in this case, let's remove it from the cart. I'm going to remove it from the cart. And now let's go back. So now let's refresh, and I'm gonna buy it. Now I might as well, you know what? I'm being a little bit direct response here, being a little bit aggressive. So I might come back in here. Let me jump back and show you. I might come back in here and make this bigger, okay? And then I'll come here, refresh. Okay, I made it a little bit bigger. Actually, what it did is separate it a little bit, but to me, it makes it easier to read now. So let's see what happens. Your cat will love this. Order now. Okay, proceed to checkout. Now, let me fill it out. And then I'm going to create an account. No, I'm not going to create. I'm just going to say I've read blah, blah, blah. So now we're waiting. And so let me close some of this. A little bit delayed, I think, because we're sharing screens and whatnot. So let's see what happens. I should still have this in test mode. So while that's clicking around, let me save this. Sorry, while that's processing, let me go click around and go look real quick at the payment. We should have it in test mode. So 1 second. Payment gateways. Track your order. See, so there's an issue there. 1 second. Test mode is enabled. Now this has to do with shipping. So it basically took them to the thank you page to look at the tracking. So that's good that we're running into this. So we're going to say additional shipping fee. So look, additional shipping apply on single quantity. That's important. I did not have that before. Okay. So I'm going to hit save. And now let's try this again. So let's go back and let's do this from the get-go. I'm going to go from products, click on my products, and let's do this again. So let me close out of this stuff. And we're going to close out of this, close out of this. I'm going to leave this up in case I need it. So let me go in here, edit. We're going to finish up on these settings, but I'm just going to go in here and go back to where we started off. Pricing and variance. This additional shipping fee is what I'm going to charge. And you saw where I toggled on that part about a single item. So now let's preview this again. Let's see. Okay. So let's try it again. I'm going to buy 1 sticker. I'm going to go to the checkout, and now let's see what happens. All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. So let's see. I don't know. I'm just picking some random thing here. Now let's. If you don't check it off, look, it's telling you to check it off. So I'm going to proceed. Now, here's the thing. Track your order. That is strange. I haven't seen that before. Let me double check something. 1 second. Maybe it might be because I have it in test mode. It did that. Let me see if an order popped up from today. Okay, so it was a free order. So not sure. Oh, well, no, it should still work though. It was a free order, so it just took me to the track order page, but it should have automatically made it so that it charges the amount. So it's probably a shipping setting. So bear with me here. So we're gonna say pricing discounts. We're not gonna have any discounts. There's no variant other than the one that it is, right? So I'm gonna say compared to price is $9.99. Let me save it. Okay, now we go to $3.95 shipping. So this has to do with the shipping settings. So 1 second. So this is another way to do it, but you have to make sure you have your settings set up properly. So what I believe it is I have the shipping method by default. This is ship station delivery. This is in there, but this is not the one we're using. So that one's inactive. So what I'm going to do is this. This is why. I haven't set up the basic shipping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up an additional shipping method. And we're going to call this standard shipping. And for the description, we're just going to say professionally packed and shipped. And then choose a file. Let's see. Let's see if I have a shipping file. Or actually a truck. Hang on. No. Let's see. Send my truck. Okay. 1 second, guys. Let me stop sharing and then let me look for it. So while I'm looking for a little shipping image just so you can see how that's done. I like to go over some things that a lot of you are probably preaching to the choir because you've done this before, but I want to keep in the back of my mind someone that is not experienced yet. So I cannot seem to find it, but let me keep looking. In the meantime, ask your questions related to stickers right now, and I'll check and I'll answer while I am looking. All right, so yes, Manny. So your question was at the truck stop. You mentioned the sticker was $9.99 and $4.99. Yeah, it was. Now the $9.99 was maybe a little bit like this, so it may have been 5x4. But I actually, let me see if I can find one. Actually I have a sticker. 1 second. 1 second. One second. I got something to show you. Hopefully I can find it. 1 second, guys. Bear with me here. Almost there. 1 second. All right, here we go. All right, I'm back. Okay, so look at this. Oh, sorry. So you see this? All right, everybody see that, right? I don't know if you can see that right here. You see that cost? $4.99. So if you thought that was too much for a sticker, this is proof. I bought this at a truck stop. Okay, here's another one. All right, so if you thought that might be too much or whatever, that's it. So now let's go back while I am looking for the image. What other stickers do you have? Excuse me. What other questions do you have? Sorry. And I know it's here. I just saw it earlier when I was going through the images. Right. Where's it at? Oh, I know what to do. 1 second. I'm just gonna check off something real quick. So let me do it this way. So what are the questions you have? I charge $9.99 for mine. There you go. You go, Coach Ryan. So listen, if people resonate with the message, they're gonna buy it. I really can't stress that enough to you. If I resonate with something, it makes me like excited, it brings me joy, it makes me smile, it makes me laugh, and it's something I really like or something I'm really passionate about. It doesn't have to be something that brings you joy. It could be something that brings you passion, like this, like it makes you proud, or makes you feel like, man, this is me. This is something that I believe in. Then people will pay, like Coach Ryan said, $9.99. So I'm still looking for one. Oh, here it is. Delivery. That's the name of it. Okay. 1 second. I'm finding the image, and all right. So now let me share my screen. Okay, I found it, and now I'm ready to go. Thank you guys for your patience. And then now we're add to the stream, and now here we go. We're rocking and rolling now. Okay, so I added a little delivery URL. Now, for tracking, the tracking URL is typically, we handle it for the most part using 17 track. So let me go get that real quick. Let's see, 17 track. This is an old tracking number, but this is the format. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back, and this is the format when you set it up. So it says, for example, URL, blah, 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 blah. The @ sign is where the tracking number should appear. So in this case, it's going to be like this. Boom. All right. And then, hello, this is the problem that I had. I did not have this include product additional shipping fee. Okay. So when this is 0 to, let's just say $100, say 100. Let's just say, I don't know, North America is 0. Let's say I'm targeting only North America. Everything else, if I'm sending to a different country, remember, Teescape says they'll charge $5 for out of the country, right? So what I'll do is I'll add an additional $250 to these other locations. That'll cover my cost. Because it's $250 to ship in the United States, but if they ship overseas, they're going to charge you $5 instead of the $250. Okay, and then hopefully this works. Actually, let's do this. Okay, so additional shipping applies on a single quantity. Shipping methods, as you can see, there's the image that I used earlier. Okay, there's a little truck, and this status is on. So now let's go back. So now let's go to let's add this to the cart, and I'm going to make it just one, and I'm going to check out. Now, as you can see, it was normally $9.99. Okay, so now let's try it again. I'm nervous here. Hopefully it works. If not, I'm going to be upset. Now, if they try to proceed, they have to check off that box. We all know that. So just showing you how that works. Some of the stuff, like, again, I'm preaching to the choir for many of you, but I got to try to cover all these things so that, someone that's new is getting the benefit from this training as well. So, boom. All right. Look at that. What are they paying, guys? $3.95. Right now, of course, we haven't tweaked this checkout page or anything like that. But I mean, now how cool is that? Now, let me click on it and watch what happens. You know what? I want to order 3 of these babies because I'm going to give 2 for my girlfriends because they all love cats. Between the 3 of us, we have 17 cats. And I'm being stereotypical here. I'm just joking around. So we're going to make this 3. And then I'm going to proceed to checkout. 1 second. And so now I'm going to say I have read the privacy policy. And 1 moment. Hopefully we get this thing going soon. All right. Now, $3.95. It did not change. Very interesting. There's a setting that's off here. So in the meantime, let's see something here. There's something we did. I'm doing something wrong, and I can't, off the top of my head, understand what it is. So 1 second. Include product additional shipping fee. So let's see. And since I don't have Mr. Garcia for his color commentary and help, I'm drawing a blank. Let's see. Could be this. 1 second. All right, let's try this one more time. Let me open this cart. There we go. That's what it was. So as you can see, you see the shopping cart right here? Let me proceed to checkout one more time. And go back here and check out. We have 3 stickers. I got nervous for a second there. I got nervous. In the meantime, if you don't have a GrooveZilla, make sure you get a GrooveZilla, okay? All right, so there we go. That's how it works. $11.85. So why? Because it did the $3.95 times 3. Now, this could potentially turn into some good money for you because let's say they ordered 5. Let's just say for whatever reason, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna say I want 5 of them instead. I'm adding 2 more. Now I want to check out. Now, because I'm doing free shipping, free plus shipping, now it's $3.95 times 5. So let's see what the math is on this. Now, I don't know if my calculator will show on your screen, but I'm just going to type it in right now. So now it's 5 stickers, $19.75 for 5. So $19.75 minus the $5 to fulfill, minus the $2.50 to mail it, you made $12.25. So as you can see, you can actually start making some profit from offering it this way, as get it free, just pay shipping. Because to them, hey, I'll pay $3.95 to ship it. What, most people do not pay attention. I've seen people make a lot of money. Some of them students where they're giving away. It wasn't a sticker. It was something else that was lightweight, and they were charging like $5.95 shipping for each one of the items. It wasn't a sticker though, but it was lightweight. Let me stop sharing. It was lightweight, and they had buy 1, buy 2, buy 5, buy 10, buy 20. And all it was multiplying that amount by that number. They didn't give any kind of quantity discount. So keep that in mind. All right. So what do you guys think? And then now let me show you the next step. Okay. I'm going to actually hold that thought. Let me share my screen again. And now I'm going to show you follow through of me adding 2 upsells. Okay. So let's say I'm leading with that sticker. But now I want to go back to products. I'm leading with that sticker. I'm saying free plus shipping, right? But I want some upsells. I'm going to upsell them those other 2 Life is Better hoodie, mug. I'm going to offer them all 3. Ready? All right. So here's what we're going to do. This is exciting. All right. So you ready? So we're going to go here into where we left off was the pricing. We're going to go into settings. Okay. And what I'm going to do is for the one-click upsell, I'm going to add the Life is Better, all of them. Okay. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lead with the most expensive first, and then I'm going to downsell the other stuff. You can do it the other way as well. You can start with the sticker and then upsell them the mug and then the hoodie. But I'm going to go opposite. Okay. And in this case, I want to recoup my money and make profit. So I'm going to offer them 3 upsells. I could get aggressive and make 4 upsells if I wanted to. And then I'm going to hit save. And then for the bump products, there's no bump products right now. That would show, let's say on the checkout page, I could put a bump, and we're going to do the same thing. Life is Better. We're going to say the decal. And then on the flow cart, we could add the decal as well. Life is Better. All right. And then bundles, I rarely use bundles. We're going to have facelift to bundles in the next quarter. So I never use it right now. Instant checkout, I don't use it either. And then for related products, if we wanted to, we're going to just make the Life is Better product line the related products. And then we're going to hit save, and then we're going to finish this. So I'm going to skip reviews. Just so you know, reviews is going to be moving to its own app. It won't be in the product settings. Coming soon. All right. Okay. Jazz. Hello. From Brisbane. I hope I said that right. Brisbane, not Brisbane. I'm a redneck Mexican, so sometimes I'll say it like it looks to me. So excuse me if I messed that up. So now we're going to hit publish. All right, so now let's try this again. Now this is in test mode. We looked at it earlier, right? So now let me close some of this other stuff. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to go here and we're going to buy just one. I'm going to go back to the cart and let's go here. Now, remember I added the fly out cart bump. So look what's showing up right here. Look at that. That's really nice, right? But I'm not going to buy it right now. I just want my one sticker. Okay. All right. So now let's check out. So I'm going to go, I've read the blah, 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 continue. Now this is in this is in test mode. So let's do a test. Okay. We're ready to go to the payment. All right. I like it. All right. So let's go. We're going to do 42, 42, 42, 42. 42, 42, 42, 42. Okay, and then blah, 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 a fake thing, and then I hit finish my order. Now we should see an upsell. Bam! I mean, come on. It don't get any better than this, okay? So the perfect compliment, as you remember from the last training, I did not edit that yet, so I would edit that to make it all the same size. Life is better, blah, blah, blah. Order today and save big. And in this case, they're buying this one for $4.95 versus $3.95 on the front end. And let's go ahead and add it to my order. Now, hopefully, it shows us, boom, the perfect complement to your order. Okay, the hoodie. You know what? I'm going to buy it. I want it. I love my cutoff hoodies. I love wearing cutoff hoodies, showing my my belly. Just kidding. Okay. So let's do the green and let's do medium, and I'm going to add it to the order. Okay. Now, all right. You know what? I want this mug. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, I got to have it. I mean, look at it. Oh my God. You know, so nice. So I want the mug too, because I am a cat fanatic. I am like John Garcia, who right now is at the Cat Lovers Convention in Fort Lauderdale. And again, I'm just kidding. So we're going to add this to my order. And let's see. We should see a thank you page. And I may have changed the thank you page for the store when we were training at some point or another. Thank you for your order. Okay. So real quick, what I want to say on this page is I would not make your store have a thank you page like this. You better, if you're working with me, you had better have some sort of thank you for your purchase. Please enjoy this discount on us for your next purchase, blah, 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 blah. I'd put recommended products down here at the bottom. I'd give them the coupon code. Maybe I'd make them an offer for some kind of subscription model offer. I would do something. I would not leave this thank you page like this. This is like a sin in e-commerce. Okay, so just remember, do not leave your thank you page / confirmation, order confirmation page like this. This is you basically leaving money on the table. So now if I go into Teescape, okay, we will see that we have an order. Hopefully, if things went well. So click on my account, orders. Well, look at that, March the 3rd. And it says it's risky because we did a test purchase. Look at that, guys. I mean, come on now. Look at that. Let's look at this one. Let's see. Look at that. Save image as. I'm going to save it. You know why? Because guess what we're going to do, guys? We have a little bit of time. Let me go show you how to use Place It for mockups. Okay. So we're going to say Place It. So we're just going to go here and we're going to log in. We can make sticker mockups with Place It. Okay. So watch this. Let's go make a real quick sticker mockup. And I'm going to say sticker mockup. Give me 1 second. It's taking a second to think for some reason. Come on now. It just says stick. 1 second. There you go. Stick up mockup. Excuse me, not stick up, sticker mockup. Okay, so I'm just gonna, oh, look at that. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna do it on a parking meter. Now I'm gonna drop a little tip. I'm not gonna tell you everything, but think about this mockup that I just chose, right? Are you ready? This just gave me an idea. Now, if one of you run with this and go make money, can you please let me know so that we can use your case study as an example? You might not have to share the store. You don't have to share the store, but let me tell you something. If I made a sticker and it's funny, and let's just say the sticker is pointing at something. It's somebody pointing at something, and you could place this sticker in a public area where many people go every single day. I'm just saying you could probably make some money doing that, even though you might think it's saturated. I'm going to leave it at that. Okay. And do not mention what it is if you know. Okay. So now let's insert image. Now that was kind of cryptic, kind of like, I'm not telling you exactly, but listen, just think about it. So those are some of them. No, that's not in there. So now I'm going to exit out of that. And we're going to insert the image by uploading. Upload from your device, and let's choose this one. All right, crop. Hopefully it's not, okay, I messed up. So this is not a PNG with the background. Oh, I know why. It is it's not a round sticker, it's a square sticker. So I goofed up. Let me go back. I got excited. Okay, let's do this one. That was a round sticker. I could find something else that is, you know what? Let's just do this one. Let's do this one. Now we're cooking. Okay, my bad. Coach Ryan said he's excited to add these to my current decal business. There you go. I love it. Listen, you start making some money. Can you let me know? I need to, spread the word about GrooveKart. By the way, in case you're wondering, I'm not being a perv. That's my ex-wife there. I helped her crop an image. So in case you saw some beautiful woman on my computer. Anyway, so let's see. This is too big. And as you can see, it shows the white around it. So let's do this. Watch this. JPG to PNG. I need to do a couple things. Let's go here and upload. And I want this to be transparent. And I need to download it first. And now I'm going to review it on my computer first. And it looks okay, but I don't think it's ready yet. Remove background from image. So let's see. You're going to see why I'm doing this in a second. I should have done it at the Teescape level because that's where it comes out properly. But let's do it right there. Is that it? Yes, it is. All right. So now do you see it? You see, anytime you see checkered in the background, then you know then that it is transparent. Okay, so I'm going to download it. Now this says 524. That's big enough. We don't need it any bigger. Now we can go back to place it. And now let me remove this. And now let's insert it again. Upload. And we're going to go here. And now you see that on the surrounding areas, there's nothing. So now I'm going to crop. I'm going to make this smaller. Like that. Let's see what it looks like. Now you might have to do this a few times until it looks right. Too big, right? So now let's resize, because this is like some sort of laptop case or something, or some kind of suitcase or something. So I'm going to make this smaller, like so. Crop. Okay, so there we go. And so I can download that. Now, usually this John Garcia and I are goofing around also in between this stuff, so excuse the silence. All right, so now we can go back into GrooveKart, and if I wanted to, I can go here and I can add a mock-up. So I can go here, and let's see, where is it? Boom, look at that. And I can open it. Now I can save. And now when I preview this as a customer, well, they see these little navigation icons, and then they see the dot, which tells people to swipe. Bada bing, bada boom. What you think? Let me stop sharing. All right, so what do y'all think? What do y'all think? So this is another way to do stickers. You're giving it away for free, and they're just paying shipping. So I showed you this, if in case you missed it. This sticker I bought at a gas station while I was in Texas. I was exiting Texas, heading north. And I don't know if you can see this. If I zoom in, it takes away. See, if I zoom in too much, the green screen grabs it. But as you can see there, it says $4.99. Okay, right there. So this is proof, and this is the size. This is probably a little bit smaller than what your sticker is going to be. They start with a 4x3 template. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So any questions? We're going to wrap it up right now. I hope you enjoyed this training. I thank you for your patience. I got stuck a little bit here. It was just me by myself. No one came to help. And guess what? That's the way life is sometimes. You're not going to get help all the time. Should you ask for help? Yes. Should you be helpful? Yes. But sometimes it's just you. And you got to understand, in business and e-commerce, whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, you're in an MLM, you're selling, something door to door, doesn't matter. Sometimes you don't get help. Sometimes no one is there to help you, and you have to learn to rely on yourself. Okay, self-reliance. Okay, so anyway, you guys know I get excited. I hope you enjoyed this training. Let me know if you have any questions, and if not, we'll wrap it up. So let me just go to, let me share some love for you guys. So let's start from the top. All right, thank you for Coach Ryan showing up. And let's see, what else? All right, Facebook user from the UK, thank you for joining. Reclaim the law in the UK. All right, Gwendolyn from Texas. Let's see, Pauline from the UK, thank you. All right, we got Joya, I think Ahoya, maybe, I don't know, hopefully I didn't mess up your name, I'm sorry. Joya is what I would say. So I'm not going to do everyone's name, so if I miss you, it's not on purpose. Okay, so Markina from Michigan. Okay, so let's see what questions we may have based on the last thing. Let's see. Okay, hello from Jazz from Brisbane. Hopefully I said that right. Okay, and then we had Coach Ryan said he's excited to add these to his current decal business. Let's see. Great training, really appreciate it. Way better than the cat lovers convention. Yeah, that's good. I love it. I love it. Shout out to Mr. John Garcia. I hope your VIP backstage passes to the Cat Lovers Convention paid off. Okay. That's funny. he's not at a Cat Lovers Convention. I'm joking. I'm joking. So Jazz said her son made an amazing logo and need help make stickers. Perfect. Let's see. How do you create the messages that come up in the bottom left corner of the screen? Good question. So if you go into, I'm going to share, that is our social proof widget. It's a built-in app. So I'm going to share my screen. And then we're going to go to the dashboard, okay, of GrooveKart. So I'm going to save this. If I didn't already, I'm pretty sure I did. When all else fails, when it comes to e-commerce, click save again or publish or whatnot. If you know you like what you've done, the changes you've made. All right, let's see here. Okay, so we're going to go to apps, right? And then we're going to go to app manager. And the question we had was about the little notification of making sales. So that is called, if you go to conversion booster, it's called the social proof pop-ups. Okay, you can just toggle it on and then you can change the settings here. So I'm not going to do a lot right here, but let's just say I wanted to change the background to black instead. And then I wanted the text color to be like yellow, right? Now this isn't the exact yellow, but let's just say that that's what I wanted to do. Okay. And then if I go here, let's go here and let's type in decal. Oh, you know what? I messed up. I didn't add myself to the stream. My bad. So let me show you again. Go to show you make mistakes. So, but you got to keep on moving. So you're going to go to apps, app manager. Okay. And then here you're going to click on conversion booster. And when you click on conversion booster, there you will see the social proof pop-ups. Okay. My bad. I wasn't sharing screen. So then you can go here and I just edited these settings right now to match the store. I made it black with this yellow, which I know it's not the exact yellow. So I think it's more like this yellow. Let's see. Something like that. Okay. And then save. Now, and I have the hyperlink disabled because I don't want them to click away. So then if I go here and I refresh, hopefully it'll start showing in just a second. So let's see what we have here. Hopefully it refreshes. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for it to show up and you should see the boom. Look at that. You like that? Woo-wee. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's stop sharing. All right, so there you go. You can't offer free on eBay. Okay, now let me give you, listen, I try to be as transparent as possible. I had a store with a friend of mine and we did some stuff and we were giving away a hat, believe it or not, a ball cap for free. They just paid shipping. Well, the shipping was $17.95 and people bought them. And guess what we paid for the hat? We paid $8 and some change at the time. So we were selling it for $17.95 was the shipping cost and we're paying $9. So we're making $8 after it's all said and done. Doesn't sound like a lot, right? $8. But what if you sell 100 within 48 hours? Now you've made how much profit? $800. So don't ever discount the amount you can make, even though you have slim margins, you know, dollar wise. Okay. And let's see here. Coming back to watch this. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's see. Yes, we have T-Launch, and that's a whole nother, I mean, I'm so excited. I haven't even got to make the announcement or to let you guys know, so you're the first to know about it. I'm going to make an announcement video and update everyone with what's been going on, what's been added since the last time you heard from us. So, yeah, it's good stuff. And, yeah, Thank you, Pete. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Again, sorry for not switching earlier. Let's see. You mentioned you don't leave the thank you page blank. Can you provide training on how to get the? Yes, that's actually part of the series. Is when we get to that point, because we're going through each section. We went over the builder, but I agree. I need to do training just on the builder, but actually what you can do to monetize the thank you page. So thank you. I will not leave that out. I promise you, Alejandro, I will do training on that. Dale Chico. I think that's who it is. Okay. What is good about T-Launch? Well, let me share my screen. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. So 1 second. Let me go and show you. So I'm going to share my screen. Let me actually type it in first. Yeah. So hopefully word gets out to John Garcia that I was making fun of him. And by he knows I'm joking around. I like to goof around. So let's see. You tell me if you can see my screen. Oh, you can't see my screen because I need to add it to the stream. There we go. Okay. So now let me close all this. All right. So you can see my screen, right? So this is T-Launch. Now let's look at the products that you can use with T-Launch. Let's click on accessories. Look at that. Wireless charging stand. A mono clip. Wireless car charger, guys. Come on now. Balloons. Come on now. Now do you know why I was trying so hard to get T-Launch? I was bugging the developers, bugging Christopher from T-Launch, bugging. Now, I'd like to add that this is the first version of the app. If you find a bug, please double check it, then let us know. Why? Because it could be user error. Okay, I do not want to flood John Garcia's. He's the head of support. We don't want our support desk flooded with, how do I do this? How do I do that? I encourage you to go look and figure things out. Okay, just from my standpoint, on behalf of the support team, you gotta remember you gotta be responsible for yourself. If you're submitting tickets for something that it'll take you a 2-minute search, trying it yourself, I encourage you, please do this. It'll actually give you more confidence the more you try to do these things on your own. Before you submit a ticket, like, how do I log in to T-Launch? Well, I mean, come on now. So that was a silly example. But so look at the apparel. We got the Canvas Unisex CVC. I have no idea what CVC means, but I'm assuming it's something important. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I don't know what CVC stands for. Okay, so it's heirloom combed. So I guess that's what it is. So there's something to that. It might be some kind of shirt that's popular. So we got the woman's shirt, the long sleeve, the muscle, the flowy race back, the outdoor mat. Oh my God, look at that. The oven mitt, the metal sign. I mean, come on. I don't know if y'all even ready for this. Are y'all even ready for T-Launch? I mean, come on. I encourage you not to wait for me to make the training on how to use this. I highly encourage you to embrace what you can use that they give you. T-Launch gives you the template. Look, gives you the template that you give to the designer if you need one. It shows you the shipping. It shows you the information. And T-Launch has a blog. You can go to the blog, and there's all sorts of information here. Okay, tips and tricks. I mean, hello, load more. Okay, fun stuff. Look at that. Support. Okay, now don't go. Now, let me say, on behalf of all support, don't go asking T-Launch support something like, I'm in GrooveKart. Can you show me how to do a sticker? Don't do that. Okay, this is let's say you had an order and you got the order and it was fulfilled, and you got the tracking, but you click on the tracking link and the tracking link doesn't work, something like that. Okay, so you get the idea. If it's related to the app that you're getting a bug, you let us know. But always double check before you let us know, because it could be maybe you just overlooked something. Okay. So with that being said, do not contact T-Launch, excuse me, if it's something related to GrooveKart. So going back, cutting boards, maple cutting boards, bath mat, rugs, framed canvas, okay, insulated water bottle, a crate mat. Look at that. I mean, come on. I'm whispering just because I'm trying to get your attention. So come on, look, a crate mat. What do you do with the crate mat? Look at the mock-ups, guys. Come on now. I mean, come on. Look at that. Come on. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't know. I mean, who's ready for this? Are you ready? Can you handle this stuff? Pet pillow. Come on now. Come on. Look at this stuff. I mean, we could be here for an hour, me just going through this stuff. So let me stop sharing. So shut the front door. I mean, come on. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. My throat's getting itchy here. I got to drink some more water. So listen, on behalf of all humans, I encourage you to drink at least a gallon of water every day. I still got, I don't know, something like 30 ounces left. I don't know, 32 ounces. With that being said, thank you for being here. We appreciate you. The cat out of the bag is we have T-Launch. I still have to make a training. I still have to make the update video. But listen, if you are savvy, what happened here? Something happened. Let's see. There we go. Orders with T-Launch, are they auto done with GrooveKart, or we have to do it manually? It should be automated. Okay. My screen froze for some reason. 1 second. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's see. We can handle this. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Can you guys see me, or is my screen frozen? My screen on my side is frozen, and I look like I don't know what. My face is goofy. Can you see me? Can you see me? I think I got stuck. We can still hear you though. Okay, so let me stop the camera because I look like so bad. 1 second. I look bad. Okay. That looks really bad. Okay, so now there we go. That was embarrassing. I look like a freaking zombie. Okay, so can you hear me? If you can still hear me, I can still keep going. So let's see. Perfect. Yeah, I wonder what happened. Oh, you know what? I set down the gallon of water kind of rough, so maybe it threw off my camera. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Anyway, with that being said, thank you guys for being here. We appreciate you. On behalf of Groove, thank you for being part of the Groove family. Listen, do not wait for my training video with T-Launch. Get in there. They have their own videos on how to use the app. On how to use their platform. They have their tips and tricks. Get in there and learn it. It's the same concept. Put something that you think your audience will love in front of them and make the offer good, make the design good, make them get excited. And next thing you know, boom, you start making money, okay? No, you don't have to order manually. It's automated, okay? Now, again, if you run into issues, double check things before you contact support, okay? Because this is our first version of the app. All right. I think that's it. I've went about an hour and a half. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being a part of the Groove family. If you are not upgraded, I recommend starting with the $99 upgrade and then working your way up. Because what I've discovered is people that have more skin in the game get more results. And that's just the way it is. That's the way business works. All right. Where can I get copyright free for military specific designs? Yeah, good question. I don't know. I mean, you could look that up free military JPG or free military PNG, free military artwork, free military print on demand design. Google that and see what you come up with. Anyway, I'm done. My throat's getting itchy, and I think we did a lot today. Hopefully you enjoyed this training. This is Frank Salinas on behalf of Groove and the entire Groove team. Thank you for being here. We'll see you on the next one. And never give up. Always move forward. Always improve. And don't worry about the mess ups you make with e-commerce. You can always get them fixed. Keep pushing. Keep doing the good things. Keep creating. And I can guarantee you'll start making more and more profit. This is Frank Salinas. Thank you again. We'll talk to you soon.